Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey the greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
You can't ask me, I'm gonna know that. Well,
today we have stuffed salmon.
Yes, what
with
is it?
Cheddar, cheese, rice, and some broccoli on the side.
Whatever she say is going down.
It's stuffed with shrimp, Parmesan cheese, some scallions, some cream cheese. I was gonna put some bacon in there, but somebody doesn't eat bacon.
You better not.
So I couldn't put it in there.
Yeah.
And I got this recipe, the stuffed salmon, from Stovetop Kisses. Okay, she's another YouTuber. She's a very big YouTuber. And I loved her recipe for this salmon. The cheddar rice is just a packet rice that I just threw together. But I'm excited to try it.
Me too.
Doesn't it look good?
Yes. I trick you today.
Oh.
Yeah. Catch your money, ready for the chat. Yeah.
That's good. That is really good.
Nice.
That's in crispy.
You put cheese on it?
Salt.
Okay.
I know you like the salt.
I know first lady food. You gotta bring it out on deck. Grace, always. Grace. Okay.
Chunks of shrimp.
You know, really. When I was coming, I said, we gonna do this. You know what I thought it was this alone we gonna eat, no?
The salmon?
Cause I was gonna say this alone can't fool me, no?
You said it. You said that can't fool me.
You remember I said it? Exactly.
There's rice.
I didn't know. Cause I know. If you bring this out, this would have all been for me. You want ice? Or I'm good.
You have water?
Oh, I have that water.
That's right.
You gonna get water for you?
Okay, yeah. I changed my mind. Thanks for getting me my water.
What I miss? Did you go to them food?
Nope. The Lipton tea is good. It's just sweet. Sweet. I feel like when you start getting older, things start getting sweet and salty. Maybe it's just me.
First lady, what is this?
The cheapest water bottle.
The cheapest water bottle is back. It didn't go anywhere. We just put it on a break, you know?
Yes, it's on a timeout. It was acting up.
Where is the link?
In the description where it says blank. I don't know why that makes me laugh.
The cheapest water bottle. Alright, which one should I drink? I'm feeling myself today.
You have a plethora.
I got a plethora of juice.
Of drinks.
Got this one.
What's that one? What's
That's
that
a peach. That's why the peach or the peach iced tea. Iced tea
lemon iced tea he has.
And see now?
Which one should he drink?
And then I got the Georgia one.
This is the peach one. Which one should he drink, guys? Georgia peach or lemon?
Lemon. Well, hurry up. Tell me because I'm thirsty.
They said the lemon.
A lemon one? Okay, see that? I may have a half cup of lemon one. See, I got a half one lemon, so I'm drinking it.
Honey, did you even taste the salmon yet?
No, I don't need to taste it. I know it tastes good.
No, I'm just saying, but this is my first time making this.
Wait, let me get to it then. Let me just throw my juice, because you know, even if you think it tastes bad, I love it. Yeah. Even if you think it tastes bad, I'm gonna love that joy. Alright. I'm ready now. Let me see what's going down. I don't want to taste it without the pepper first.
Be honest.
When you do that salmon, man, it tastes different, man.
What it tastes like?
Me not like it. I love it.
You too light.
Oh.
You love it?
I love it.
It's
I don't
really
like
good.
it, family. I love it. Damn, that's well stuffed.
Yep. It has mozzarella, Parmesan cheese.
I tell you. All first they need to see the recipe. And she go do it.
The only thing I did was different. You guys know I had to add Everglaze. And I had some. What's that thing called, honey?
What?
Yeah, there's no gravy. Like gravy.
What they called?
I forgot.
It's a seasoning?
I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh man, I forgot. I don't know. What's their seasoning? My mind just went blank. My mind is playing tricks on me.
My mind not play trick for me. Food that play trick for me.
Okay. I hate when that happens, man. Sure.
You know what that means sometimes?
What?
I mean, I chat too much. You never drink. I'm thirsty, no? So how y'all doing? Woo, excuse me.
I put a lot of water in this.
There's a lot of water here.
And now it tastes better. Oh! I put cayenne pepper.
Oh, that's what you put? Oh, you're not supposed to put cayenne pepper, right?
But she didn't put cayenne pepper. But remember, when you see a recipe, you follow it. And then if there's something in the recipe that you don't really like or you want to add, do it. Because at the end of the day, it's your taste bud.
Exactly. I love this because this stuff, it got a lot of different kind of meat in there.
Yeah.
I like stuff like that. I like meat upon meat. So that I can't talk with me hungry, you know. Food nice to know. I like it, you're free.
And also, when you guys, anyone, whether it's on YouTube or in regular life, if you guys do something that somebody else did and you're inspired by them, let people know.
That's true. You know what I'm saying?
This recipe was from Stovetop Kisses. But if I don't tell you that I got this recipe from someone, then it's my recipe or it's Richie's recipe. You understand? We're not gonna say that it's ours when it's really not ours.
True. True facts. So give credit where it's due. Right, first lady?
Exactly.
Yo. Listen, you know what?
No.
I count the broccoli. No, I make sure I count them. I say,
Who
all right.
does that, honey? Who counts broccoli?
Me. I count it. I count the broccoli. I say, all right. It's a decent amount of broccoli.
Come over here and see what happens.
No. Family, I know she's gonna do that, you know. I count the broccoli on purpose, you know, to say, all right, watch her. She never fear, you know.
No, I didn't. I tasted it. I tasted for you.
I watch you eat off here and then you still come on my side for my broccoli. My gosh, yo. Who count broccoli? I count my broccoli because I know how much was there and you still go take my broccoli.
Yup. I sure did.
That's not fair.
Oh, this fair.
I knew you were gonna do that.
Whatever.
I make sure I count them before I come in here, you know.
Family, who counts broccoli?
I do, family. When it's food time,
No, Sada.
I'm putting my food right there because I say, you know what? Yes, we have enough broccoli. She gonna have her own, and I have mine. But yo, this thing is just salmon.
It's really good. Oh. So what I did was the salmon. I just cut it in half.
Yeah.
Because on her recipe, she had 2 salmons that she just put on top of each other.
Yeah.
But you know, salmon is already thick.
Yeah.
And salmon is very meaty.
That's why I love salmon, full of meat.
So if I did that, it would have been too much salmon. So I just cut it in half and then did the same recipe and it came out perfect.
That's why I love salmon. That's why I love salmon, family, because it's a lot of meat. You could fry a salmon and cut it in half for 2 hours. No, not for 2 hours, but I don't can have one. I love salmon. And it's so flavorful.
Look at that.
Taste yours.
Get out my side of the friggin' plate. Too old to
Let me taste yours, because yours probably tastes different in my mind.
Don't come on my side.
No. Let me taste it.
Tired of you. After you don't complain about me taking a piece of broccoli, a fibbing one.
No, but you have to be fair, because I gave you yours, I counted it, and you ate off yours.
No, there's no fear.
No.
What he said? All is fear and love in basketball? Back up.
You think I ain't catch a quarter today? I make sure I cut the broccoli and put a look at no. No.
Come over here.
This is good though.
It came out really good.
No, this came out excellent. Excellent. I deserve this meal again. Right? What happened?
Nothing. Nothing. Nobody touches
You're
stuff.
sneaky, you know? You know what? I'm gonna hurry up and eat up my food before she come get my side.
You have to eat your food anyway.
From the other day, she wanted to come tea for my food. Run for my food. Tell her, family, don't play with my food. Keep to her side. Okay, family, so listen now. I got a quick little story. Quick little story, family. So, what time is it? All right, good. This is when I was in New York. You know?
Ooh, excuse me.
When I was in New York, I was young, so I was about 16. You get your license when you were in New York. How old did you get your license when you were in New York?
18.
18? Mm-hmm. It was my license I had on my permit.
If you had your permit, it was gonna be 17.
17. It's when I think I had my permit. Cause your permit you have to make an appearance drive with you, right?
Yes.
When I had my license. It got to be my license. But anyway, in New York, my mom had a van, a Dodge van.
Remember that van?
Remember that van? Enough time pick up another van there.
That's right, you better.
Yeah. I pick up first a lot of time in that van.
Well.
So yeah, I just got my license. You know when you're young and you just got your license, you want to drive everywhere. You don't care. This store could be across the street and you want to drive there. Right? Yeah, I know it's true. Yeah. So I just got my license. First thing you know, my mother van. She had a Dodge van. Nice long one. I just got my license, you know? And I just want to drive everywhere. I don't care where it is. If they say, yo, go there to go get me this. I'm running out there because I want to drive. I'm just happy to drive because got my license. So anyway, my friend was going to summer school, right? So you know in New York, you got a train station them, the train line them, and you know you could drive like the poles and drive to the poles and like it's traffic everywhere in New York. You know what I'm saying? Right, friend?
I'll probably get a picture and show it to you.
Yeah, I gotta go get a picture and show y'all. So it's a train station, but you could drive around the poles then, but in car be parked there and you have to squeeze through the part of the car then. Excuse me. Take a bite first. I love the story. I just want to be enough. So, I was gonna pick up my friend from summer school, right? So I was picking up for summer school. So, took my mother back because I just love driving. I said, yeah, I'm gonna pick him up. Sure, if I could drive and whatever. I'm driving now to go pick him up, right? And I'm going to the train pole them. So there was one car right here. Next to me, I had to squeeze. But me, I wanted to make a U-turn, right? Also, so I squeezed to the thing and tried to make a U-turn. Family, when I squeezed to the car and made a U-turn, remember it's a van, so I'm not...
It's long.
It's long, so I'm not really used to it.
Yeah. You didn't
judge it right. I didn't judge a turn right. What the hell, family? When I turned the van, all I heard was
You scratched the car?
Scratch the damn van. So I'm turning, and while I'm turning, the van is scratching up because the van is long. I'm a new driver, and the car was blocking me in. So I was trying to come out, you know? Family, when I made that turn, scratched up my mother van. I was like, Freddy, yo. What the hell am I saying to my mother now?
What?
Yeah? Scratch up my damn van.
No, I'm laughing because I remember what you said.
So I said, God damn, I gotta think about saying, even though it wasn't my fault, I was trying to squeeze through.
It is your fault.
I'm not a driver. I wasn't a good driver. So I'm driving. I said, damn, what am I telling my mother when I go home now? I said, all right. That's what I'm telling her. I went home now. I said, Mommy, you know, I said, I scratch up your van. What? You scratch up what? Dog said, you scratch up my van, you scared? I said, yeah. She said, what happened? I said, I was driving and I got pushed off the road. And I had to make a turn, a sharp turn, and I scratched up the van. She said, oh, okay. But man, I was scared. Because you remember, I love driving. Yeah, man, love driving. So I scratched up my mother's van, but you know what? that van got me my license. First shot at my license.
Me too.
Remember in New York, you got a parallel park. You got New York driving is different from up here, from
way
Florida
different.
driving, whatever people, right? Way different.
In Florida,
Yeah.
they you take your road test in a parking lot.
Yes.
In
and
New
get
York,
your license.
It's about a 20-minute.
20 minutes or more than that sometime.
And you gotta do parallel
parking.
You gotta do a U-turn. You gotta do a 3-point turn.
Everything.
And they take you on the highway. They don't take you on the highway in Florida.
So that van, first shot, went for my license, got it with that van, park right, everything, and I got my license with that van, but I scratched it because I was so eager to go drive and try to show off. Show off, I show off, I show off, I said I want to go look girl.
Well, I didn't know you then, but I don't care. You were meant for me.
Listen,
Face, Steve.
I see. Sure. You know when you get something new you want to show it off, and you get a new sneaker, you get some new. Yes, I try to show off, man, and mess with my mother van to help.
Well, girl.
I have a lot of stories. I used to thief from my uncle van. But yeah, quick story, but that was the same for you when you got your license, you know what I'm saying?
For me,
Yeah, how was it for you?
I just
You're a good driver, first thing.
thank you, my love, but I think you're a better driver than me.
You can't drive yourself.
I'm a chaos sometimes.
Lazy because you don't want to drive.
Yeah, that's true. I don't want to drive. But when you've had so many bad experiences with driving, you get scared. But anyway, I try not to let that defeat me. But
Wow. See, I lie. I tell her.
You okay?
Yeah.
For me, I had no choice but to drive. I lived on my own, so I had to drive. So it wasn't like I just had to drive.
You done with the rice?
You can have the rice.
A long time no wait for you now. So I'm tell the story now. Tell the story to make you full.
I gotta get some wooden spoon.
Yeah, you gotta get some wooden
so
spoon.
it doesn't scrape.
Yeah, we gonna get some wooden spoon. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, fellas.
Yeah, we gonna get some wooden for your family. Don't
But
worry.
for me, it wasn't so much of the driving. I was fine with the driving. It was when my dad was teaching me how to drive.
Yeah.
Because again, I was living on my own, and I said to my dad one day, I'm grown. And he was like, you ain't grown? I said, what do you mean? I work, I go to school, I pay my bills, I live on my own. He was like, you're not grown until you have a car and you can drive. And I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna show you. So I went and I got my permit first try, and then he taught me how to drive. And for some reason, when he was teaching me how to drive, my anxiety was turning. Driving straight, I was fine, but when it came to turning, I don't know why I was so scared. Because I felt like
it don't show that now.
no, well, honey, you gotta understand. In New York, there's a lot of roads that's so narrow,
yeah, it's true.
that when you're turning, you just feel like you're gonna hit another car.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
every
true.
time he was teaching me how to drive and it came to a turn, I would be like, I can't do it. And he's like, come on, Shanice, you can do it. And then I would turn, but I would turn so wide that the other car would be honking me and have to move out the way. So he would say, no, you have to do a tighter turn than that. So anyway, so we're driving right there next to, what's that school called next to Tracy Towers? Clinton. Yeah. I was driving right next to Clinton around that area. And I'll never forget, I was driving and he said, okay, you're gonna turn. And when he says you're gonna turn, I'm already scoping out how tight the road is, if I can make it. And I'm telling him, I don't think I can make it. And he's like, you can make it, Shanice, you can turn.
Yeah.
Come on, you can't drive straight forever, you have to turn. So when I turned the corner, I turned so wide that the other car was coming. I was like, I'm gonna hit him. I'm gonna hit him. And he was like, turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. And I was like, I can't. I let go of the steering wheel and was like, I can't. And my dad had to grab the steering wheel from the passenger side and turn it fast so that I wouldn't hit the other car.
Wow.
And he was like, Shanice, this ain't gonna work.
Oh, so you turned too wide then?
Turned too wide. So he took me to the parking lot, and for about a couple of hours, all we did was just turn. And then every time we drove, all he made me do was turn. And it's so funny because when I was teaching Vincent how to drive, that was the same thing. Him and his turning, he was afraid to turn.
Big driver now.
I wonder how it's gonna be when you teach Tamia how to drive.
I buy her a go-kart first. I make sure you drive the sit-down mower. I'm gonna teach my daughter the sit-down mower first. It's the same thing as driving. She know how to drive my car.
She had to drive her brother's car.
She's gonna drive her brother's car. She ain't driving my car.
No, Vincent's gonna say, you're driving my car.
I'm teaching my daughter how to drive on the sit-down lawnmower first. Because she had to learn to steer and they got a gas too.
Yeah.
It got not gas, but it's just brakes and stuff and
but
steering.
maybe the
Go-kart.
The go-kart?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a go-kart, man. I could go drive.
Oh.
See, I drive a mother car.
You can borrow the neighbor's one.
Yeah.
Always riding into the store.
I'm gonna borrow that.
I be saying, look at him saving gas.
I'm glad if you didn't want no more rice, you know.
That was full.
Yeah, mama food. Yes, I'm eating my rice. I love my meal. I tell you that all the time. I love my meal. That was delicious.
Good.
Or be like a little mini story. No? New York. And that happened at 219. So all my New Yorkers, y'all 219 and White Plains, y'all know.
But they say if you can drive in New York, you can drive anywhere. And it's so true.
Yep.
It's so true. New York drivers, they don't play. You get out their way or you're going to get pushed over.
You're going to put out of the way.
Yep.
Yep. All right. Transformation time now. Pastor Rich in the building. How y'all doing? Blessed day. First lady, should I collect offering today or no?
No offering.
Excuse me. That food was delicious.
Thank you, my love.
All right. Ready for this? All right. Word of wisdom. Knowledge is knowing what to say. I'm going to say it again. Knowledge is knowing what to say. Wisdom is knowing when to say it.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh.
Wisdom is knowing when to say it.
That is good.
Again. Say it again.
Let's say it again.
Did they hear me?
Okay. They heard you, but they want to hear you again.
All right. Knowledge is knowing what to say. Wisdom is knowing when to say it.
Yep.
Put it in your own word. Everybody's a winner.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So, appreciate y'all liking the word of wisdom. You know what I'm saying? I like when you comment down there. Make me feel good, you know?
Aww.
I like that. So, keep commenting down there and let me know how it feels to you, you know? Maybe... Ooh, you hear that?
I heard that.
Damn,
Broke your neck?
Didn't break my neck, you know? I'm gonna break my neck. Family, see that one broke my neck. Listen.
Yo, I don't know if you guys heard it, but he went
That
like
was
this,
loud.
and his neck was click.
You heard that one?
Ooh, I heard that one.
Felt it. I'm a chiropractor too.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Only for First Lady. So listen now. If the word of wisdom could cheer you up, that's what I'm trying to do. Make, you know what I'm saying? If you're having a bad day,
That's true.
First Lady, not yet. Don't forget to like, we shared, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam talk show. Good thing, First Lady. We
know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.